Human trafficking is happening right under our nose in London, Birmingham, Manchester. And we have Julie Cocket, our very own, of the Sophie Hayes Foundation with us on Friday to tell us the story. What a guan. Also, it's Women's History Month. All of our featured guests this month will be women. Women are talking the tings for the month of March. And let's not forget, things they did not teach us at school, part 2. Our Black history.
Black people have been living in this country for centuries, and the story of the black presence in the United Kingdom goes back all the way to Roman times.
Ain't it though? And we've got the evidence. So join us on Fridays for the month of March. Women are talking the tings. Black history. We've got the evidence. Cahoots, prizes, and surprises. It's a phenomenal month of black entertainment. Make sure you're there.